Welcome to Libertex. Ethereum Classic, ETC, has nearly doubled in price, yielding a 92% increase in price since June 22nd. Since briefly touching highs at around $170 back in May, Ethereum Classic was heavily impacted by the crypto sell-off. With the levels that Ethereum Classic is trading in now, can it continue to be viewed as a good buy after the first major run-up since crashing? Stay until the end of this video, as we'll be taking a close look at the most recent developments to cause this rally. In addition, we'll be diving into the Ethereum Classic technical analysis to get a better understanding of the nearest support and resistance levels, as well as what to watch out for in regards to Ethereum Classic price predictions for the rest of July and beyond. And for the latest updates on Ethereum Classic, as well as the latest breakout coins, make sure to subscribe to our channel and support our growth by hitting the like button. So without further ado, let's get started with the Ethereum Classic price analysis. Ethereum Classic is a hard fork of Ethereum and was launched back in July of 2016. It was created to support smart contracts with the further goal of preserving Ethereum's integrity after 3.6 million Ethereum was hacked in 2016 in the famous DAO incident. Since then, both Ethereum and Ethereum Classic have come a long way. Ethereum much more so. Still, Ethereum Classic has traded at a much more affordable range in comparison, and some traders are starting to think that that may be changing soon. Ethereum Classic's structure differs from its competitors. Unlike Ethereum, Ethereum Classic has different development teams, including IOHK, ETC Cooperative, ETC Labs, etc. The bulk of these development teams are focused on delivering scaling solutions to the platform. The central reason for the surge in upward price action for Ethereum Classic can be found with the completion of the Ethereum network's Magneto update, which will implement improvements for the Ethereum Berlin upgrade, as well as increase the overall functionality of the Ethereum network. The upgrades will not influence Ethereum alone, and because Ethereum Classic is part of the network, Ethereum Classic stands to be positively influenced. In simple terms, these periodic upgrades have the effect of improving the network's security, and while cutting down on processing fees by storing addresses and keys in one place for users to access with a single transaction. In addition to the Magneto update, Ethereum Classic got a serious boost after Digital Currency Group announced that they purchased a total of $50 million worth of shares in the Grayscale Ethereum Classic Trust. The following day, the crypto market got a resurgence of energy, following a dip below Bitcoin's psychological $30,000 level, and Ethereum Classic was launched back into orbit to levels above $50 for ETC. Let's now jump into the technical charts for Ethereum Classic to get a better understanding of the latest price action and trends, as well as the nearest levels of support and resistance following this latest bounce. Right, we are now in the Libertex terminal looking at Ethereum Classic, also known by its ticker symbol ETC, and we can see that Ethereum Classic rose to new all-time highs just several months back in May and successively crashed in a very violent manner, unable to sustain the levels following the Chinese announced crackdown on crypto. So the effect of this not only saw bearish price momentum for Ethereum Classic, but for nearly all the major cryptocurrencies as well. And since then, the state of crypto has been riddled with anxiety and a lot of sideways trading. So with where we are at the current levels, Ethereum Classic has managed to deliver an almost 100% gain following some of the lows it was trading in at the end of June. The reasons, including institutional buying and the Magneto update, have taken Ethereum Classic back into the mid $50 range, which, if it can hold, could project Ethereum Classic to higher highs moving forward. So what's important is that since this bounce following the sell-off, Ethereum Classic has managed to hold above the critical point of support, which is the 2018 high of $46.98. This remains the most important level of support, as a plummet below this could usher in bearish sentiment to Ethereum Classic and prompt further selling. With that said, the nearest level of resistance for Ethereum Classic can be observed at just above $55, where it has struggled to maintain previously. So if this initial resistance can be overcome, the next point of resistance that could open up for further bullish momentum can be found at around $56.80. So if we just pull this up On the 7-day, you can see these levels a bit better. Yeah, and so following a move from here, Ethereum Classic could have its sights set on the $58 to $60 levels, which could channel in another bull market and bring Ethereum Classic back to some of its previous levels. Due to the highly volatile nature of Ethereum Classic, however, short-term traders should definitely consider setting stops at around the $50 level to the 2018 high level of support at $46.98 in the case that this latest bounce back does not sustain itself and another pullback comes, which is possible given the percentage gains that Ethereum Classic has experienced just very recently. Still, if the bullish thesis is correct, Ethereum Classic could possibly be a great asset to consider establishing a position in if the levels we saw back in May are any indication of its potential moving forward. Will you be buying Ethereum Classic at these prices? Let us know your thoughts on the latest rally for Ethereum Classic and where you see it going for the rest of 2021 by leaving a comment below. And if you're interested in trading Ethereum Classic, Libertex has everything you need to get started. Simply head over to libertex.com or via the links in the description below to open up a free account without hassle and start trading completely free of charge with a demo account before opening up trades with real money if you'd like. We hope you enjoyed this breaking Ethereum Classic update, and to support more of the latest content on the biggest crypto movers and more, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay sharp in your trading. We look forward to seeing you next time and wish you a great July in the markets.